What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. On today's video we're gonna end part, I think it's part 4 of the ported supercharger install. So there it is right there. There's the supercharger. It's fully ported. So when I first got the supercharger, I only got the snout ported to match the ported throttle body. As you can see, I got a ported throttle body. And then I didn't get the supercharger ported, so this time I got the supercharger fully ported. If you've been watching my previous videos, you'll see all the porting I did to the supercharger. So it's ready to go back on the car, but before we do that, we're gonna install these heat shields to keep the supercharger a lot cooler and drop those IATs. I decided to keep the stock throttle body for now, because I'll have to reprogram the new throttle body and then I have to mix with the electronics. So I decided to install the stock throttle body back on, so that way I don't have any issues. And then I'm curious to know what the porting did to my quarter-mile times. And then once we have those numbers, and we go ahead and throw the bigger throttle body onto the supercharger and see what it does. After we do all that, then we're gonna add more fuel, run 100% methanol, because right now I'm running 80-20. So run 100% methanol, get some more nozzles for my fuel, and then get the crank pulley, because I still have the stock crank pulley, and hopefully we can hit those 9-second quarter-mile times. I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. I mean, this car's already running mid-10s. I went ahead and got full 3-inch exhaust, ported blower, bigger throttle body, crank pulley. I don't see why it wouldn't go into the 9s. So yeah, let's get this thing installed, and I'm thinking I'm gonna have it done by today, because once I have all this on the car, the supercharger is pretty easy to do. Intake, everything's really easy to do. It probably takes me like 20 minutes. guys, so I got everything put back together. Coolant hoses, the water for the supercharger, so everything should be good. I went ahead and added some coolant. So let's see what happens. It should start